What is Ethereum? A proof-of-stake blockchain that powers decentralized applications through smart contracts. It runs dApps without a single controlling entity. Smart contracts automate agreements and power those apps. Decentralized exchanges, lending and borrowing platforms, NFTs, and many more decentralized services. Ethereum also supports Layer 2 solutions that make transactions cheaper and faster. Arbitrum rolls many transactions into one on Ethereum. Polygon runs as a parallel proof-of-stake sidechain. Developers create ERC20 tokens as native currencies for apps, used for governance and utility inside those apps. And stablecoins act as stores of value, but gas fees are paid in ETH. Vitalik Buterin proposed Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood published the technical yellow paper in 2014. A fundraiser in 2014 led to the 2015 launch. In September 2022, Ethereum moved from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake. Next is sharding. The database will split into 64 shard chains. Each validator only verifies its assigned shards, not the whole network. This lowers the barrier to run a node and improves scalability. Ether is the native coin used to pay transaction gas. Stakers earn ETH as rewards for securing the network. It also trades like other cryptocurrencies and can be used as collateral, utility, security, and value. The fully diluted valuation of ETH is about $572 billion, assuming 120 million coins. That number is a statistical maximum, not current market cap. Always check live data for current values. That's Ethereum in a minute, a decentralized platform powered by ETH. Subscribe to learn more about crypto basics.